So the decision to list ASX, Canadian, US, what changes where you list?
Yeah, good question, Jace. Comes down to your network, I think, and it also comes down to where the investors are. And it also depends on what the company's trying to do and their addressable market. So I'll give you an example. We took a business called Lobe, and Lobe, for those at home and follow the whole psilocybin and the extract of magic mushroom, it's a really, really interesting theme with psychedelics. Now,
You've got my attention.
psychedelics, even though they're not legal here, based here on the TGA side, they are getting a lot of recognition, or they were getting a lot of significant recognition overseas in the US and the Canadian market. So we knew for a fact that if we took Lobe public and then essentially taking the extract of magic mushroom to treat depression, concussion, PTSD, mental health, as a lot of us at home, is impacting a lot, especially with young teenagers coming through the ranks. So look, psilocybin's got huge empirical evidence, and also a number of journals of medicines that is actually got some significant benefits. So what they're doing, they're actually undertaking the clinical trials in the US. To take it to Australia, we knew for a fact that the ASX probably wouldn't have pushed forward with it. And on the other side, the Canadian market was very, very pro, just like they were pro-cannabis, pro-psilocybin. So we made the decision to take that public in Canada. We listed it at 8 cents with a 1-for-2 option. I think it hit a high of around 27, 28 cents a few months later. Now that's sort of stable around that 10, 12 cent level. So look, investors are still making 50% plus returns on their money, but at one stage they were making 300-400%. But that's an example of a company that we really felt that taking it to Canada, which is a very similar market to the Australia in terms of the rules that I mentioned, the cost, etc., was probably more suitable.